Wait, what goes squeaky squeak but isn't me? Let's play Guess That Sound.
Listen close and type your guess before the answer pops up.
Oh, what was that? Type your guess. It was a zipper. Zip, zip, hooray!
Whoa, that one popped. What do you think it is? Bubble trouble. Pop-tastic guess.
Last one. Who says quack in the back? Yup, a disco duck. Quack attack. Tell me your favorite sound in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more.